Hello friends, the Indian Constitution is unique in its contents and spirit. Although the Indian Constitution has been borrowed from almost every constitution in the world, still the Indian Constitution has several salient features which distinguish it from other constitutions of the world. Hi friends, my name is Lalit and you are watching my channel Knowledge Guru India. If you are preparing for any competition exam, you will find very useful important questions related to Indian Constitution in my videos. So let's continue with our video, that is salient features of Indian Constitution. So let's discuss about the salient features of Indian Constitution. The first feature is it is the lengthiest written constitution in the world. Constitution, they are basically divided into two types, either their written constitution or their unwritten constitution. Like our constitution is written, American constitution is written, but British constitution is unwritten, it is not written. So that is important point. Our constitution is the lengthiest constitution of all written constitutions of the world. It's a very detailed, elaborative, comprehensive document. When the constitution was made initially in 1949, it contains around 395 articles, which were divided into 22 parts and 8 schedules, and it also contained a preamble. But subsequently, many amendments took place, many new articles, schedules were added into the constitution, and presently it contains preamble, around 465 articles, which are divided into 25 parts, and it contains 12 schedules. So, no other constitution in the world has so many articles and schedules. Now, why our constitution is lengthiest? Many factors may be responsible for the lengthiest nature of Indian constitution. So, first factor is geographical factors, because our country is so vast and it is diverse. There is a diversity in Indian culture. So, because of that, the constitution makers they consider many factors before making our constitution. That is one of the reasons that our constitution is so much large. Second is historical factors, like our constitution was basically an elaborative form of the Government of India Act 1935, and this, in fact, this Government of India Act of 1935 was also very bulky, and because our constitution has been framed from that Government of India Act, so this is the also the reason why our constitution is lengthy. Second, the third point is there is a single constitution for both the center and the states. And last, the constitution makers, the members of the constituent assembly, they were advocates, they were lawmakers. So they thought many factors before making the constitution of India, and it also led to the lengthiest constitution of India. So our constitution also doesn't only contains the fundamental principles of the governance, but they also contain detailed administrative provisions of the governance. So that is the another reason why our constitution is lengthy. So the second most important feature of Indian Constitution is that it is drawn from various sources, means it is a borrowed constitution, because the constitution maker of India, they take important features of other constitution of the world and incorporate those provisions into Indian Constitution. Once Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he said that Constitution of India has been framed after ransacking all the known constitutions of the world. If we take a look at our constitution, we see that the structural part of the constitution is mostly derived from the Government of India Act 1935, while the philosophical part of the constitution, for example, fundamental rights, directive principles of state policy, they are taken from American and Irish constitutions, while the political part of the constitution, which deals with relations between the executive and legislature and the principles of the cabinet government, etc., they are largely taken from the British constitutions, and many other provisions have also been taken from other constitutions of the world like Canada, Germany, France, Japan, South Africa. However, the most important and profound influence of the or material source of our constitution is basically the Government of India Act 1935. For example, public service commissions, emergency powers, judiciary, federal scheme, they are mostly drawn from the Government of India Act 1935. Even we can say more than half of the provisions of our constitution are taken from the Government of India Act 1935. The third important feature of our constitution is that it is a mixture of rigidity and flexibility. Means constitution have also been divided into either they are rigid or flexible. Rigid means if we want to make some changes into the constitution, we have to take some rigid process. It is difficult to amend those parts, some parts of the constitution, while some parts are very can be changed very easily, so they are flexible. The American constitution is a rigid one because there is a special procedure for its amendment, while the British constitution is a flexible constitution because the provisions of the British constitution they can be amended by in simple manner as the ordinary laws are made. So it is a flexible constitution, but our constitution makers they made Indian constitution as a blend of both rigidity and flexibility. Means some provisions of our constitution can be changed by special majority of the parliament, and some provisions can be changed by simple majority. So article 368 provides for the procedure for the amendment of our constitution. So you have to remember article 368, which is required to make amendments in the constitution. So some provisions of our constitution they can be amended by the special majority of the parliament, like 2/3 of the majority of the members of each house present in the voting, and a majority that is more than 50% of the total membership of each house. So this is one provision, and some provisions can be amended by special majority of the parliament, and it also requires ratification by half of the total states of India. So it is a difficult procedure, and at the same time some provisions of our constitution they can be amended by simple majority of the parliament in the same manner as some ordinary laws are made. So it is a blend of some flexibility as well as rigidity. The another important feature of Indian constitution is that it is a federal system with unitary bias. What it means? It means it contains some provisions of the federal system of government like in America, like division of powers, written constitution, supremacy of the constitution, independent judiciary, the system of bicameralism. However, there are certain features which are non-federal in nature, that is maintain the unitary nature of Indian constitution. The examples are strong center, single constitution, single citizenship, integrated judiciary, appointment of the state governor by the center, the provisions of all India services, emergency provisions. So they all indicates certain unitary or non-federal features of the Indian constitution. It is also to be noted that the term federation has never been mentioned in the constitution. Rather, Indian constitution in its article 1 describe India as a union of states. So it implies two things. One, Indian federation is not the result of an agreement between the states, and second, no state has the right to secede from the federation. In various historians and they have described Indian constitution as quasi-federal by K.C. Veere, and Indian constitution has also been described as a example of cooperative federalism by Granville Austin. Also by Ivor Jennings, he described Indian constitution as federation with a centralizing tendency. So Indian constitution is a federal system with unitary bias. That is a very important feature of Indian constitution. So friends, these were some of the important features of Indian constitutions. In my next video, I will discuss some another salient features of Indian constitution. Till then, bye bye. If you have not subscribed my channel, I request you to subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much.